Parents and community, my name is Paula Richardson, and I am the parent of a baseball player at Carlisle School. I am calling you to action today to help renovate our baseball field. Our baseball field needs new dugouts. Some of our players are over 6 feet tall and cannot even enter the dugout the way that they are today. We need a new backstop. We've actually lost some games as a result of the current backstop. We need safety netting to ensure safety for our spectators.
Baseball has gotten so advanced now that we just have to upgrade the facilities for the safety of the kids and the parents.
We even need tree removal to help allow better visibility for the school board and the field. And so I'm asking you today to help us. Be a donor, be a sponsor. It is going to be a collective effort to bring this project to fruition. And please join me today. This is an effort that's worthwhile. Anytime that you are giving money or sponsoring youth in their athletic endeavors, it's always a positive. So please consider making a donation or being a sponsor today, and we certainly appreciate any consideration that you give us.
With this new facility, we'd be able to better prepare our student athletes to play at the next level.